Good afternoon, welcome. This is Waec here, 2020 English Objective Past Question, question number 49. And the instruction here says, shows the word or group of words that best complete each of the following sentences. And the sentence here said, what I admire is admire. What I admire about a football team is that they love dash. What I admire about a football team is that they love dash. A. Themselves. B. One another. C. The other. D. Ourselves. Now, this question is coming from pronoun. That is, so it's trying to test the correct use of pronoun. Correct use of pronoun. So the list of options we have, they are all pronoun words. Now, when we say themselves, the speaker cannot say, what I admire about our football team is that they love themselves. Themselves, by themselves, the speaker here have excluded himself. It means that it is not part of the team. And when we talk of team is collection of many people. And in the expression you say I, so themselves cannot go. Then you cannot say, what I admire about our football team is that they love ourselves. No, the pronoun ourselves cannot function effectively or grammatically in this sentence. Ourselves, no. Then the other, you cannot say, what I admire about our football school team is that they love the other. The other is already pointing to maybe to a different team. Different team entirely. A different team. Then one and other. When we say one and other, it means that within the compound of team, within the compound of team, that is, or among many or group, the correct pronoun to use that will involve everyone is one and other. So what I admire about our football team is that they love one another. So option B is correct, one and other. So it means that this person love this person, 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 and so on. So option B is correct. Thank you and God bless you, and share your subscribe for more videos.